Why integrate virtual whiteboards with Zoom and Slack?
Virtual whiteboards allow teams to brainstorm, share ideas, and collaborate visually in real time. Integrating them with remote work platforms like Zoom and Slack lets you bring these creative spaces directly into your meetings and chats. This connection streamlines your workflow, reduces context switching, and helps everyone stay on the same page before, during, and after meetings.
Choosing the right virtual whiteboard tool.
Popular options like Miro, MURAL, and Microsoft Whiteboard offer robust features and native integration with remote platforms. Choose a whiteboard based on your team's needs, such as template variety, ease of use, and supported integrations. Before starting, ensure your chosen tool offers official add-ons or integrations for both Zoom and Slack for the smoothest experience.
Integrating a whiteboard with Zoom.
To connect your whiteboard in Zoom, visit the Zoom app marketplace and search for your whiteboard tool, such as Miro or MURAL. Install the app, authorize permissions, and add it to your Zoom account. Once installed, you can launch the whiteboard during meetings, allowing all participants to collaborate on the same canvas in real time.
Connecting whiteboards with Slack.
To use a whiteboard in Slack, install its official app from the Slack app directory. Authenticate your account and add the integration to your workspace. From there, you can create, share, and edit whiteboard boards directly from Slack channels or DMs. Collaboration becomes seamless, letting team members access visual content without leaving the platform.
Tips for seamless collaboration.
Encourage everyone to familiarize themselves with basic whiteboard functions, like adding notes, drawing, and leaving comments. Use Slack or Zoom notifications to alert teammates when a joint whiteboard session starts. Take advantage of built-in templates for meetings, retrospectives, and diagrams, and always save or export your boards for easy reference after discussions.